Hi, and welcome to M&A Ambassadors, Becoming the USP, the Ultimate Sales Professional. Now, in this episode and the next one, I'd like to talk about Dubai as a city and how you should present Dubai to make it attractive as an investment opportunity to our clients. Now, even if you are selling in the secondary market, why is Dubai the ideal city to live in for families? Now, when presenting Dubai, remember one thing. The attractiveness of the opportunity is directly linked to the attractiveness of Dubai as a city. So it's really important to mention this when you're going to introduce Dubai to people. People need to understand that the value of their property, the attractiveness of the appreciation that will come on it is directly linked to how the world sees Dubai and how popular Dubai is going to be for people to want to live here in the future. Now, one question you need to answer. If you can prepare your pitch on Dubai to take care of this one question, that's all you have to do. And the question is very simple. Why would a family leave their home country and want to come to Dubai and start from fresh? Let me repeat that question again. Why would a family choose Dubai, leave their home country, come here with family and start from fresh? Now, why is this question important? When investors are looking to put money into the city, they're looking for a good capital appreciation and they want to know that they can get an attractive rental yield, that there will be a demand for people to want to rent their homes. So it becomes really important to show them why Dubai attracts families to leave their countries and come and live here. So your pitch around Dubai must answer that. Because if the client is convinced about that, he knows he makes a good rental yield. He also knows there'll be a good capital appreciation. And if he's planning to sell the unit at some time in the future, there is going to be a demand and he can find buyers easily. So this is the question to answer. Now, even if it is for an investor, the same answer works. If it is for a homeowner, it also works because they are looking for reasons why they want to make Dubai their home. Now, you should be linking Dubai to the vision of the government of Dubai, the D33 agenda, for example. And you should also present Dubai in terms of the quality of infrastructure in the city. You see, any economic agenda cannot be completed without a parallel development in real estate and infrastructure. What makes Dubai attractive as a city is 4 types of infrastructure that you can focus on. Now, you can use your discretion because I don't want you to get long and detailed or even maybe boring, especially on the phone. You can pick a few things about the infrastructure. So in this video, I want to introduce you to the 4 types of infrastructure, and I will give you more detail on the infrastructure in the second video. So what are the 4 infrastructure that will attract people to want to live in Dubai? The first is lifestyle infrastructure. Under lifestyle infrastructure, you want to be talking about things like the quality of our communities, the residential towers, the buildings that we have, the freeways, the schools, the community malls, the entertainment options, the parks, the beaches, the hotels, the lifestyle opportunities that will make people want to come to a city like this. So under lifestyle infrastructure, you need to show why Dubai today can compete with the best in the world in terms of entertainment and having a safe home to live in. The second type of infrastructure that you will need to focus on is business infrastructure. Why would people want to do business in Dubai? What is the opportunities that they can get by looking for jobs in Dubai so they can have a better quality lifestyle, not just in Dubai, back home for their families. And this will also make them want to bring families, and therefore the social and the lifestyle infrastructure becomes important. So one, business opportunities in the city. You can talk about the free zones that we have. I will give you details on that in the next video. So the type of free zones that we have, 30 free zones in Dubai. I don't think any other city on the planet offers so much of opportunity in terms of doing business. The digitization of all transactions by government. Today, everything can be done online. So the business opportunity becomes very important. One important factor that you can talk about is the fact that 170 of the Fortune 500 companies, there's 500 of them, and 170 of them are now headquartered regionally in Dubai. Now, that is a strong argument in favor of Dubai, because these people are shifting their senior level executives and families into the city. They are looking at generating the business in Dubai, but they also want a quality lifestyle for these executives and their family. So the business environment is very important. The government policies about setting up businesses, the encouragements through the visas to come in here and open up businesses. Talk about District 2020 from a business perspective. The third infrastructure that you would want to focus on is the financial infrastructure. Now, money is important for everybody, but more important or equally important is access to money. How easy it is to get your hands on money. Most countries have got some stiff laws and regulations. Dubai is a lot more flexible. Today, money comes to you. Just go into any mall. Look at the number of ATM machines that you will have that gives you access to money. In some countries where I visited, you got to search for a machine with a particular logo before you can use your card. Today in Dubai, you don't need to go to the bank. If I had to travel to certain countries, I would need to go to the bank to convert my dollars. But here, you don't need to do that. The money has come to you. There are exchange houses in every mall. There are ATM machines all through the city. Most of the big business buildings and towers have all got ATM machines. So money actually comes to you. The taxation policies are still very, very friendly compared to most of the other countries. We still don't have income tax. So the financial infrastructure is really important. Cryptocurrencies, digital currencies are the way forward. And the world's first digital assets oasis was set up in Ras Al Khaimah. It's a free zone to handle crypto. In real estate today, Dubai is one of the most crypto-friendly countries to accept payments in crypto for real estate opportunities. So a financial structure is important. We have a strong dirham, and now we are getting into a larger pack of business countries, which we can discuss in a later video, which will strengthen our positioning. You can also talk about the law and order, the fourth infrastructure, the judicial infrastructures in the city. We have international law, the Geneva law, and we have the Sharia law. So we've got two legal systems to support anyone in Dubai. We have to look at the safety aspect, the emergency response services, the police that we have in the city, the low crime rate compared to anywhere else in the city. One of the safest cities in the world. Very important, especially if people want to bring their families, children into this city. So present Dubai from the infrastructure perspective as to why it is an attractive city to invest in. It's not talking about the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall and the Dubai Fountain and the desert safari. No one puts their 5 million, 8 million in the city because of that. To enjoy the Burj Khalifa and the desert safaris, I'll just take a 4-day, 5-night package, come down, and I will enjoy and go back with good memories about Dubai. But I'm not investing. I'm not relocating my family because we have all of this in Dubai. You can touch on those, but focus on why families would want to live in the city, because that's what investors understand, gives them higher appreciation, rental yields, and higher opportunity to sell. Now, in the next video, I will talk a little bit more about these four infrastructures, and I'll also talk about how you need to have not one, but 2 presentation pitches for every community in Dubai. I want to thank you for your time with us on M&A Ambassadors, Becoming the USP, the Ultimate Sales Professional.